Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope you are all fine and doing great. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. On today's tutorial, I will be making a Zara cap. So without further ado, let's move straight on to the tutorial. Thank you. To make the Zara cap, we will need the following items. Marco, the size is 18 inches by 2.5 inches. You can replace Marco with a thick wadding. Your fabric of choice, the size is 25 inches by 22 inches. Embellishment, fabric scissors, a stronger scissors, tailor's chalk, and tape rule. So with the wrong side of the fabric facing up, I will notch the center of both the Marco and the fabric. I will now place my Marco on the fabric, aligning the middle points of both pieces. I already drew a horizontal line, which is 3 inches away from the edge of the fabric. I will now place the Marco on the middle point like so. I will fold over the fabric like this. I will now stitch at both ends of the Marco, but I won't stitch. I will avoid stitching on the Marco itself. So now I've done that, I will now stitch all the way to the end of the fabric so that I can fold over the edge like this. I will now stitch it down. I will also avoid sewing on the Marco. So now I've done that, I will now fold it into two like this. Then from this corner, I measure out 4 inches. Then I'll use it as a guide to curve my cap. I will now cut it out. I will now go ahead and stitch and overlock this side, this curve. So now I've done that. I will now use a needle and thread to gather this curved side. I will now turn the cap to the right side. So this is what the cap looks looks like right now. I will now use this to embellish the cap. I will hold it in place with a needle and thread. So that's it, guys, we are done. This is what the Zara cap looks like now. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.